Hello friends! Is your engine misfiring, running rough, or lacking power? If your check engine light, CEL, is on, and your scanner shows code P0286, it means there's an issue with cylinder 10 injector circuit high. This can lead to poor fuel efficiency, hesitation, and even engine damage. But don't worry. In this video we'll cover what P0286 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0286 stands for cylinder 10 injector circuit high. This means that the fuel injector for cylinder 10 is receiving excessive voltage or is stuck open, causing an imbalance in fuel delivery. Common symptoms of P0286 include check engine light, CL, on, engine misfires or rough idling, loss of power and poor acceleration, excessive fuel consumption, strong fuel smell due to excessive fuel being injected, and engine knocking or hesitation while driving. Ignoring this issue can lead to severe engine damage and increased emissions. To diagnose and fix P0286, inspect these critical locations. Cylinder 10 fuel injector located near the intake manifold or cylinder head, connected to the fuel rail. Fuel rail pressure sensor, mounted on the fuel rail, responsible for monitoring fuel pressure. Injector wiring harness, runs along the engine bay, delivering voltage to the injector. Engine control unit, ECU, found in the engine bay or under the dashboard, responsible for injector timing. Fuel pump and pressure regulator, located in the fuel tank or along the fuel line, maintaining proper fuel pressure. If any of these components fail, P0286 will be triggered. Common causes of P0286 include a stuck open fuel injector. A faulty injector may continuously spray fuel, causing a rich fuel mixture. High fuel pressure. A failing fuel pressure regulator or fuel pump can increase pressure. Shorted injector wiring. Damaged wires or corroded connections may cause excessive voltage. A faulty ECU, a malfunctioning engine control unit, can send incorrect signals to the injector. And a clogged injector dirt and carbon deposits may cause the injector to stay open, delivering too much fuel. So how do you fix the P0286 code? Well, here are the steps you need to follow. First, inspect and replace the cylinder 10 fuel injector if it's stuck open or faulty. Next, check the fuel rail pressure sensor for faulty readings and replace it if needed. Then, inspect the injector wiring harness for short circuits or damaged connections. After that, test the fuel pump and pressure regulator to ensure proper fuel delivery. Also, clean or replace the fuel injector if it's clogged. Finally, reset the ECU with an obd2 scanner after making the repairs. P0286 is a fuel injector circuit issue that can lead to engine misfires, poor fuel economy, and performance loss. Fixing it early will save you from costly repairs and improve your car's efficiency. Want to learn more about fuel system issues? Watch these next videos. P0247, turbocharger wastegate solenoid B low, and P0248, turbocharger wastegate solenoid B high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.